Hi guys, this video is going to be about this headlight. This is a Volvo P2 headlight from 2001 to 2005, I think. You know it because this is the before facelift version. It has glass lenses, not polycarbonate. So, in this video I'm going to show you how to take off the glass of the headlight. I need this lens because I have a buyer for it, and in this occasion I'm going to take it apart and show you how to take it apart, because I couldn't find any good videos on the internet about the plastic there are plenty, but the glass headlights there are none. So stay tuned. First you need to take off these things. I'm going to show you one. These little clips, retaining clips, they just hold it together. These are here, and there is one here, and here, and here, everywhere, and you have to take it off from the back. I'm going to try. I put it on, and I need a tool. So, tiny screwdriver under this, and you just pop it. See? Nothing damaged. There are like 5 of these on it. And now comes the hard part. You have to take off the glass, which is glued with the silicone glue. So you need a heat gun, you need a flathead screwdriver, and you need a lot of patience not to break anything. So follow me. So yesterday I started to take it apart, but I went too easy. So today I'm gonna do it harder. You need a heat gun. And I told you that you need a flathead screwdriver. I have 2. And my secret weapon. This is a bicycle tire remover. I'm going to try to use this and maybe not damage anything. But if I find the insulation tape, I'm gonna cover these 2. So it's much less risk of damaging the glass. So, one, and the small one. Good. So, it's a bit better. So, heat gun. I'm going to warm it up a little everywhere, like all around. And then I'm going to start harder on one side. On YouTube, there we go. Started from the corner. Someone's gonna start from the corner. First, I want to put it in. And the final corner. How about this corner? And this corner. So, you see this one now? You see? It's melting. You see? That's what we do. So let's try to pry it a bit. Yeah, it's moving already. So it's very hot, actually. So use gloves Yeah, it's prying off. This is good. This is a good idea. Good. You see, it's opening. Good, so let's go more. There's my laptop, so let's pry more. I should grab it somewhere, not on the glass. So, patience. Patience is the key. Go around. Open it up. I'm not sure if you hear it, but it's coming apart. You see? This side too. Yes, it's in. Ah, the glue. Do you see? It's opening up. So, I think I'm gonna warm it a bit more, because yeah, this can handle. I'm gonna take it out, or not. So this can handle higher temperatures, like 100 something. So I'm gonna leave it in. Yeah. You see? It's coming apart. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. So, I'm gonna go like with the bikes. I'm gonna go around. Take off some glue. Yep. And I have to jump one. Then I'm scared that it goes. Like the bike. Same as the bike. You see? I recommend using two. Like the bike. Yep. Good. Let's leave it here. Like the bike. Yeah, almost there. Almost there, but patience. So I'm just gonna heat it up a bit here. Yep, here we go. So we took it apart. I think I did something wrong, because this shouldn't be here, or this was already repaired once. That's my other guess. So, one thing. Stuck in the glue. It's supposed to be on this one. So, it's done. I took apart the headlight. Here is the glass. Yes, and at the beginning of the video I told you that you need screwdrivers and stuff and everything, but after the video, after I took it apart, I think you only need a heat gun and bicycle, I don't know the name, I'm gonna write it somewhere, bicycle tire remover. Is the plier. You need like 3 and you're good to go. So heat gun and bicycle tire remover, and here it is, taken apart, one piece. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm coming with more video. Actually, I'm thinking of painting this gold, but that's in the very far future when I have enough money to do it. It's not real gold, it's a coating. I'm gonna make another video about the vacuum metallization, or I don't know how to call it. So here you go. I didn't damage the housing either, and the glass is also in one piece, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Also check the merch. I will show at the end of the video. I think I'm gonna put a little commercial break somewhere. And that's all. Bye.